Hi. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. Chris, nice to meet you.
Marissa.
So you told me this was a
Volkswagen Jetta 05.
2.0, you told me.
It's not?
I want to double check because there's there's two different, complete different labor times. One's a 2.0, one's a 2.5. Is it open? Yeah, because one either the alternator pulls out from the front, from the top, or the other one, I gotta jack it up and pull it up to the bottom and take the you gotta take the AC compressor out.
2.0.
Okay.
Yes.
Lucky. You're lucky. We lucky. All right. All right. So let me just take the stuff out that I need, and I'll move it over.
Yeah, no rush.
So I guess I just give you a text or call you once I'm done. Gonna be inside. All right. I'll let you know. I got a customer supplied part. Make sure this is correct. 2-pin connector. Okay, boom, cut that out. Hey, baby. You on video?
I'm on video?
You on video?
How do you want the drumsticks?
Oh, we haven't done baked for a while. I mean,
Baked?
technically never, but.
I mean, we got barbecue sauce, or if you want a regular, we can tell me.
Let's do baked. We haven't done baked for a minute.
Okay. Do you want barbecue sauce on or you don't?
Yeah. Not about to have no plain ass fucking chicken.
I don't want to assume and put it on and then you be like, why
What the hell? Non-flavored ass chicken.
I just gotta make sure.
That's crazy talk.
Sounds good.
Okay. You need anything else from me?
Yeah.
What?
I want a hot dog.
She wants the huevitos.
Yes, Daddy.
You're funny. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Boom, take the tensioner out. Boom, put that to the side, put that there. Bam, now we got access to both bolts. Boom, boom diggity. Just drop the clutch on that, B. We gotta wiggle this thing. Ah, come on, there we go. Yeah, what? Bam, all done. That easy. Okay. Well, that's broken. That wasn't me. Yeah, that was like that. Now let's see if this thing will jump. Okay, wipers on. Ugh, she dead. That fucking jump box sucked. Kia saves the day again. And we got it on. Now that's my car. Let's see. And we are charging. The post right there. Just want to let you know it's all done.
Oh, is that?
Yep.
Just pick it up.
Yep. I put it on the jump box and got it all turned back on, and I put the voltmeter on, and the alternator's charging, and it's staying running by itself. All right, no problem.
That's pretty much the only thing wrong with it, right?
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
As with this with your issue that you were having, I guess you was
Okay.
just wasn't starting up one day or something, I guess. All right, so you are good to go.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. You're very welcome. Just want to close this back up. I put your old part there, so you can go ahead and take that back, get your core money for that. So everything good to go. I would leave it running. I don't know how long that's been dead for, but let it charge up that battery, all right?